So overall energy, what all you need to know about your person moving forward. So a little bit twin flames, collective messages. So let's see what's your overall energy going to be like for the next 48 hours. So right now, many of you guys are losing interest over the connection you are being part of. Slowly but surely, you guys are not wanting to invest any longer into this connection, nor are you wanting to wait any longer. It's like you're tired or exhausted waiting on this person to reach out, waiting for them to change. I won't say that you have lost your feelings for this person. You still think about them, but you don't think it's worth the wait anymore. Okay, one more card. What else is going on? With Chariot card, I do see many of you guys moving forward in life. Okay, some of you might also be having a choice with the Chariot here. Some of you guys might be having a new person in the picture altogether. Okay, definitely at crossroads. Some of you could also be traveling the coming month. Okay, traveling could definitely be involved pretty soon. One card. What else is happening? What else do we see happening? With the Hanged Man, many of you guys are trying to look at this connection from a whole new perspective. Like, you guys are trying to think of it in a different way now. You guys are not wanting to think of it the same way you guys used to think the past couple of months or past couple of years. Okay, you guys are trying to be very practical, be very logical, and try to learn what all you went through, in this connection. Okay, not just go through it all over again. You guys also trying to learn, what all it made you go through, and what was the experience like. You guys would use this experience of in your future as well. Okay, you guys are trying to be wise now. Okay, with Six of Swords, I believe past couple of days, you guys are maintaining distance from this person, regardless if this person is in contact, not in contact. I see you maintaining distance. Okay, one more card. In terms of the connection, what's the overall energy like? What's the overall energy like? Judgment card. It's time for decision. Okay, you got to either reach out to them and ask for closure, which is not required, to be honest, or you guys could be moving in a whole new direction altogether. Regardless if you're interested in them or not, I see you getting attention from other people. One more card. In terms of your person, what are they going through? It was a learning experience. Don't try to think all negative about it. Try to be all positive. It made you go through hell a lot, which taught you, which you can use in your future. Whenever you meet such people, they are the types. Okay, so yeah, one more card. In terms of your person, what are they going through? This person is definitely at a distance with the World card. Okay, for many of you, I believe your person has to make a decision as well. They have to end something in their life which they are very much prolonging for a long period now. They are trying to push it off, not trying to make a decision, like making you wait, making you hold on while they are not giving you a proper answer. That has been going on, and you have been taking their shit. Not all of you, but some of you. Okay, with the World card, this person is definitely at a distance from you. They are not together. Okay, one more card. What else do we see the person going through? Okay, your person, I believe, could not trust their feelings that they had for you. Reason being, they were so messed up with other individuals. Okay, they were getting attention from other people, and time and again they let that distraction affect them. Okay, one card for how they're thinking about you now. How are they possibly thinking about you? Five of Cups. They do miss you. They are thinking about you, very much thinking about you. Okay, with Strength card, I believe in the past couple of days they could have not reached out. They were resisting the temptation of reaching out. Even if they were missing you crazy, they did not reach out. Okay, one more card. In terms of how do they energetically feel about this connection now? This connection does make them happy. They can see a future with you. They can look at this as something that could give them that happiness, that fulfillment in life. Okay, they know it can go there. Okay, like it can go full circle. So what's blocking them, Spirit? So what's blocking them? I believe they have to cut someone out of their life before making that move towards you. I believe they have kind of got themselves messed up in another connection, or in another third party. We have Three of Cups. Directly or indirectly, I do see them involved with someone. Okay. One card for what's happening in their personal life right now, regardless of this connection, excluding this connection, sorry. Yeah, just like I told you, with Two of Pentacles, they are juggling too much. They are trying to also look for options, also see if there's something else coming in. Your person has a player energy, and a player is never satisfied. They want better, they want more. They want to see. They want to keeping themselves open, towards something new. What if this is better? If, like if someone comes in who's new, they'll want to explore that connection, that person. They'll want to see what the person is about, and that keeps you strangled. That keeps you stagnated. Okay, with Eight of Swords, this person has been an overthinker. I also feel on a very financial level, this person is not doing good. Okay, they have lots on their plate right now, and even if they are working for someone, and they have a stable job, I don't think this person is having a very balanced mindset right now. They are messed up, to be honest, not just emotionally, but overall, mentally as well. Okay, they are all over the place, to be honest. Okay, one more card. What else do we see them doing right now? With Six of Cups, I definitely feel someone from their past could have definitely got in the way. There's a past person who is in contact with them. I am not saying that they are in a relationship, but they are talking to someone who's very much getting in the way. Okay. So tell me more about this person, Spirit. Tell me more about this person. Someone that they were once attracted towards sexually, that person, it could have been a fling for them in the past, which was not necessarily emotional, it was just sexual. I believe this person has tried to reach out. Okay, so what this person is up to, Spirit, what is this person up to? This person is just up for fun. They want some sexual fun going. Okay, this could involve sexting. Some of them you could even want to go out on a date with them. I don't see this person wanting to build anything on a very permanent ground, like on a very like long term way, like a marriage maybe. I see this person wanting to have fun. That's all. Okay, one more card. In terms of your person, how do they feel about this connection? How do they truly feel about this connection that they share with you? With Justice card, they know that they have to speak the truth now. They have to disclose all that they have been going through, and all that have got in the way. Okay, definitely truth needs to be spoken right now. Lots needs to be cleared. If it's not cleared now, I believe it's going to cause a lot of drama and problems in the future. So they need to speak the truth. Okay, with the swords upright here. One more card. In terms of their feelings towards you, in terms of their feelings, how do they truly feel for you? I believe they are still coming off as a friend. It's like they have I want to say that they have friend zoned you rather. It's just that they are coming off more like a friend. Okay, their energy that they are they are trying to behave like a friend right now. Even if they have interest towards you, they are still trying to behave like a friend. It's like a friend zoned. Okay, with High Priestess, they are holding back their emotions that they've got for you. They are rather pretending to be this connection to be friendship, not a romantic connection, rather a friendship. Okay, one card for what do they truly have in their heart space. One more card. I believe for many of you, you guys are stable, not just financially, also emotionally and mentally. And and they know it. If they lose you, it's going to be a major loss, and they're not open for that. With the High Priestess and King of Pentacles, they know that you are the real deal, that you are the right person for them. Okay, with High Priestess, they do feel connected. It's just that all their life they were not willing to look at this from a very emotional point of view. It was always practical. You are good looking, you are practical, you are stable. This is a good partner. It was never like, I love this person crazy, I won't be able to live without this person. They were not willing to look at it in that angle. Rather, they were very weird about the connection. They do not understand the pull that they have towards you. They have a strong pull towards you. No matter who they mess up with, they cannot let go of you. Okay. One more card. In their hate space, what's happening? In their hate space, what's happening, Spirit? In their headspace right now with Three of Swords, I believe this separation that is going on between the two of you, even if there is no communication, it is hurting them. Okay, but they are not trying to act on it. Okay, top card we have is Five of Pentacles. They clearly feel, they miss you. To be honest, they do miss you. They understand that like without you something feels not right about life. Okay, your absence has definitely affected them. Okay, one more card in terms of their intention. What's happening, the spirits? What are the intentions? In terms of their intentions, they are still very confused as to how they can come forward, what they can have with you, how they would have that with you, what they should do about it. They are hell a lot confused about the whole situation. In terms of action, Spirit, what are they wanting to do towards this connection now? In terms of action with Eight of Pentacles, for many of you, I do feel like this person will put in that necessary effort pretty soon. At least they have the intentions to. They do not want to lose a good opportunity. They know your value, they know your worth. It is just that your player is fucked. Your person is a fucked up person. They have always been used to a fling. They are not actually used to a proper, practical, emotional, loving, balanced, honest connection. They are not used to such an intense connection, and they always let the distractions affect them. Okay, one more card in terms of where this is going for now. With Six of Wands, I won't say I would guarantee, but I can tell you this much, that many of you, at least 70% of you who's watching this video, will get attention from your person, regarded you guys have been in some bits of communication for the past couple of months. Some bits, hi, hello, even that would do. Okay, what can you expect from this person now? What can you clearly expect from this person now? Yeah, with Three of Pentacles, this person will definitely put in some bits of effort. They will make the effort to reach out. Okay, top card with Five of Wands. They have been trying to get your attention in some which manner. Maybe they were sharing memes, or maybe they were watching your story, but they were doing something to get your attention. Okay, one card of advice for you guys. All those who have already booked something new, okay, something new coming, let go. Okay, for many of you, there's a new person coming in. Okay, if you are not focused on this past person or the person who you are thinking of right now, then you can let go of them. Something new is definitely coming in. Okay, you can let go if it's something you're not interested in. Okay, what else, Spirit? Okay, so your person in the past could have been very focused on their money, their finances, their future, and I also see them keeping secrets. Okay, so what should you be knowing about this connection moving forward? Okay, just like I told you, still stuck on the past. The past needs to be cleared. Something needs to be cut off from their life before they make a move towards you. One more card. What else should you be knowing? All those who have already booked a personal reading, kindly, if you guys don't mind, please message me on my email. Okay, past couple of days I've got so many emails that I've kind of lost track of them. So please ping me on my Gmail or on my Messenger. Okay, it would really help, and I could tell you when you can expect your reading. And I also believe for many of you, this person did not want to look at this as something that was not meant to be. Okay, believes this was not meant to be. So they were very negative about this. So message from their side, honest message from your person. So they feel like there are big blockages in the way between the two of you. Okay, and I believe your person is very immature, lacks depth, and in denial. Okay, so these are very much triggering messages. I do not use them often because people get offended. Okay, but yes, this was your reading for your person for the next 48 hours. Soulmate, twin flame, all signs collective. Okay, and if it resonated, kindly hit the like button. Do let me know in the comment section. I've also done Libra next 7 days from now until the end of the month. If you are a Libra and if you have already purchased it in the past couple of days, it's fine. But if you haven't, please go to Etsy and purchase one for yourself. It's much more in detail, and it's about your person, almost person for Libra only. Okay, I'll be doing more signs, especially Scorpio and Aries like coming month. I do not have much Scorpio going, so I usually stick to my Libra extendeds. So yes, thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.